So here I'm just showing the new old stock one. The other phone tested just fine, and I'm not worried about that one failing. But this one, the dial is so new and has never been broken in that it really is kind of unreliable, in my opinion, as far as if it'll stay working. As you can see right now, everything on the phone is working. If I hang up, the dial goes to night light mode. I also had to break in the switch on the back because it was completely seized since it had never been used before. So now I fixed the switch so it actually can go into night light mode or not. And so you can see that's all working, and if I dial, my intercom all functions as it should. But basically the dial, if we look at it, there's this little white bit that's responsible for the actual clicks to actually get the number to dial. And basically that little plastic bit, it keeps getting stuck, where when you move the dial back, it does that, which is not good. So you shouldn't hear that click. So I'm not really sure what to do on that, because the plastic bit, I've tried cleaning it, oiling it, cleaning it again, and sometimes it also seems to interfere with this thing actually going back fully. So sometimes if you dial a 1, it'll get stuck like here. It seems like in normal operation, either way the dial should be better than how it was originally. Just, I'm worried about if it'll stay working, because right now the oil and stuff in it is fresh, but if you leave it to sit, it might get seized again. And that's also because the buffer in the back has never been broken in, so it's like sort of a problem with the new old stock phone. I've had the same thing happen to me with some of my other key system phones. Is it seems like since the dials have never been used before, and now they're getting to the point of being old, that they just need a while to be broken in, and if they're not going to be used, it might re-seize. So just a forewarning on that. I'm sorry I can't 100% guarantee that the dial will be long-term functional. The other one, I don't have any worries about it. I think that one should be a reliable, good working phone. But this phone, since it is new old stock and has never been used, I would just say it's new old stock, and that we know for sure the dial light and everything in it is working. But with the new old stock phones, I'm sure that any collector, if a collector were to buy this phone, would know about the fact that the new old stock dials sometimes don't work very well. So that's sort of what we're up against. But I've tried everything I can with this thing, and it just doesn't seem like it wants to stay functioning. I'll test it again before I pack it up tomorrow, because I'm hoping after today it should hopefully work, but I'm just still not 100% sure that it'll be going still when you get it back.